si Kuya, tsaka si Carlo. Tulog ka ng maagap-gab. Kaya mo lang yung cellphone mo nakaganyan. Pag ako'y nag-off na ng live, ibig sabihin, off na rin yung phone mo. Tulog mo na yan. Hina na ang signal. Na 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 na. Gusto tulog na, bibeng.
Charge 13.
Sige. Hindi pa naman gagamitin. Hindi ba nag-charge lang ako, anak ko. Wait lang. Tulog ka na. Aray ko po.
Equals to night.
Please wait. Nakaano lang naman anak yung light eh. Hindi masyadong bright.
You cannot do the live outside.
Mas gusto ko dito eh. Mas maganda ang ilaw dito. Ano ka na. Good night, anak. I love you. Ay,
You wake me up at 5.
5 a.m.
Because I need to shower.
Yeah. Ba?
Hey, you know my friend? She splashed the water at me
Gosh.
outside with her legs. So dirty water.
My goodness. Who's your friend? What she's?
The one who always play basketball
What's
with
her
me.
name? Ano ang pangalan?
Diba you see her and you? She said hello to you.
Okay.
So naughty. She didn't use any umbrella. She's run in the rain.
Naku, magkakasakit siya. Mahirap
Her
ngayon
whole clothes
magkasakit.
is wet. And her hair also. And then after the raining, my clothes is also so wet. When we go AC, so cold.
Do you want to pick up in the airport? Ate Abby and Kuya. Kay Kay.
I'm fine.
Guys, magandang gabi.